Welcome to Learn You and Me. Here in this table you can see SKU or product name column. Column shows off with stock quantity. Customer requirement quantity column. Columns of fetch requirement quantity from shops. This is total requirement filled quantity and not filled quantity column. Let's suppose a customer has ordered 10 quantity of SKU 1. Now for this you will fetch 5 from shop 1, 3 from shop 2 and 2 from shop 3 to get total 10 quantity. SKU 2 for order quantity. Shop 1 and shop 2 has 0 stock, hence from shop 3 you will fetch 4 quantity. Now it is okay to do it manually if order is for very limited number of SKUs. But what if customer ordered 10 or more different SKUs and you face this scenario frequently? Then filling quantity manually is going to be time consuming, laborious and prone to error. For this, it is better to automate the filling of requirement quantity and make a standard template for this. In this video, I am going to show you how to automate this using formula. Here you can see end result of automation. As you can see, quantity getting refilled or fetched automatically and accurately from shops. First, applying total filled quantity formula is equal to sum I4 to M4. Pressing Ctrl D to copy formula in lower cells. Not filled quantity will be total requirement quantity minus total filled quantity. Copying formula in lower cells. First, I will write the formula for running remaining requirement quantity. This will be total requirement quantity minus fulfilled quantity equal to G4 cell with absolute column minus sum H2 H4 to H4. Here making first H4 cell column absolute so that sum always done from H column to previous shop. This column must be left blank. You can consider this an imaginary shop with no stock. This formula will give the remaining requirement quantity. Now copying this and writing if function. If quantity remain is greater than equal to shop 1 stock, output shop stock, else quantity remain. Press enter. Copy pasting formula in cells. Here is customer requirement list. Now applying Vlookup for bringing requirement quantity. Copy pasting in lower cells using Ctrl plus D. Now copying fetch quantity formula in blank cells using Ctrl plus D. As you can see, formula is giving or fetching the correct quantity from shops with respect to requirement quantity. 15 quantity is ordered for item 1 and this is fetched from first two shops. 50 quantity is ordered for item 4. Only 44 got filled and 6 quantity is not filled. Now you can extend your number of shops from shop 5 onward also and formula will remain formula will still work. Here I will explain the working of fetch quantity formula. Here is if statement. If requirement remain quantity is more than and equal to shop quantity, then output shop quantity, else requirement remain quantity. Requirement remain quantity can be calculated as total requirement quantity minus running filled quantity. Here you can see running quantity filled. Here requirement quantity remain, and here shop stock quantity. Here you can see fetched quantity formula. Now all these steps happening in a single formula step by step. In I4 cell, formula is evaluated like this one and outputting 5. In J4 cell, formula is evaluated like this one and outputs 3. This is how fetch quantity formula works. Now from another perspective, you can also fetch quantity from racks of go down. As per requirement quantity, the formula will remain same. Copy pasting already made formulas. If I enter 8, then quantity is getting fetched from rack 1 and rack 2 for SQ1. Now if you have stock in vertical format, then first make pivot table to bring shops in column. Then copy paste this in template. To do this, click on insert tab, then click on pivot table, select table range. Keep SQ product in row box, stock quantity in value box. Make sure it is sum of quantity, and shop in column box. As you can see, I got format as per our template for fetch quantity. Now just copy paste required range in template. To just demonstrate the robustness of this fetch quantity formula, I have made this random simulation. Here for shop stock and requirement quantity, I have used random between function. Fetch quantity formula will remain same. Now if I try to readjust the column width, then stock quantity and requirement quantity value changes. But our fetch or fill quantity formula is giving correct output in each case, as you can see. So this is how we fill order quantity. I hope you liked this video. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.